are going to review Sistersonic adventures
for the Enterprise Tuber competition.
Question 1. Robin, define the Enterprise activity.
We created a YouTube channel. Question 2. April, why was this selected?
For kids to be confident, competent, knowledgeable and physically active. Plus, we were in lockdown and we wanted people to explore and have fun. Question 3. Robin, what skills have we developed?
To use iMovie, add music, split videos and to add our logo. Question 4. April, what went well?
We created our brand and logo, Sistersonic Adventure, the paper aeroplane. We created our slogan, leave your tablet at home and play the great outdoors. We created 36 videos with 2,918 views from 14 different countries, including Brazil, Mexico, Egypt and Germany. Question 5. Robin, what were the challenges?
The weather, the rain, the snow and the wind, and also remembering the words. Also the walking 70 miles on the 14-hour beaches, 7 days challenge. Question 6. April, what are we going to do for the rest of the year?
Our target is 52 videos in a year. One of these videos will be modelling the Swansea City football kits. And we're going to add another 7 videos for the 14 Swansea Parks in 7 days challenge.
Bye bye.